Hi guys, welcome to an all new video. I'm Tanya and I hope you guys back home are living your best life because honestly I am trying every day to be a better person, live my best life, decorate my home, live it up, indulge in hobbies, color my own hair. Yes, that just happened. I colored my own hair at home recently and it was quite a fun experience, I must admit. काफ़ी long process था और काफ़ी पेन्स टेकिंग प्रोसेस था और इस प्रोसेस में अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वेंट रॉन्ग विच इज़ वाई मैं इस वीडियो के शुरुआत में ही दिखा रही हूँ कि मेरा फाइनल आउटकम कैसा था. आई वुड हैव आइडियली वेटेड टिल द एंड ऑफ इट एंड शोन यू लाइक दिस ग्रैंड रिवील ऑफ हाउ गॉर्जियस माई हेयर लुक्स बिकॉज लुक एट इट मैन, इट डज लुक रियली गुड. वाओ, I love the color. I love this blue color and I think it's going really well with my overall look. So मैं तो अपने hair transformation result से बहुत खुश हूँ अब जाके. But throughout the course of this video you'll realize that it was very difficult to get this desired result, especially because I was doing this for the first time. So in case you guys are also interested in doing your own hair at home because it is fun, engaging and honestly throughout the lockdown I was kind of waiting कि मैं अपने खुद के बाल कब color कर पाऊँगी because everybody was going through these crazy transformations, cutting their own hair etc, which is why I had decided a long time back that I'm going to do this. But obviously मैं lockdown के time में products नहीं खरीद सकती थी. But I finally got my hands on a couple products and then got started with the whole process of doing my hair. So in today's video I'm going to tell you 3 things. First, how difficult or easy it is to color your own hair because it's not as easy as I had anticipated and honestly nobody wants to ruin their hair, right? And second, कि process क्या है obviously and what all can you do to save money and time and effort on your end based on the mistakes that I made back at home. The third thing that I'm going to tell you is what all products you should invest in and if you invest in the right products, honestly this becomes a very inexpensive experience क्योंकि अगर मैं ये same चीज़ salon से कराती it would have costed me a bomb, like at least 5,000 rupees maybe. But actually, if I'm being honest, I did end up spending that kind of money on the products that I bought, but I got the wrong products to begin with. So in today's video, I will tell you which are the right products to get this kind of a desired look. And without any more of an introduction, let's get started with the video. So ये है हमारा स्टूडियो रूम, ये रही अपूर्वा और हम लोग अभी करने वाले हैं एक दूसरे के बाल ब्लू.
Yeah, so like friends braid each other's hair.
Yeah.
We are now going to color
each other's hair. और इसके हेयर फॉर्चुनेटली ऑलरेडी प्री लाइटेड हैं क्योंकि उसने अभी रिसेंटली ग्रीन कलर कराए थे
which is now faded.
बट मेरे बाल में कोई प्री लाइटिंग भी नहीं है तो उस पर ज़्यादा मेहनत लगेगी.
Yep.
इसके बालों पे बस हमें कलर डिपॉजिट करना है. सो यहाँ हमारे स्टूडियो का थोड़ा सा सेटअप हो चुका है. दिस मिरर ऑब्वियसली केम फ्रॉम बजारा मार्केट. ये रग उसके सामने मैंने प्लेस किया था थोड़ा अच्छा दिखे ताकि रूम, बट उसके ऊपर प्लास्टिक शीट लगाई है बिकॉज अभी हम लोग कलर करने वाले हैं एंड दीज आर ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई ऑलरेडी परचेज. सो टू स्टार्ट ऑफ विद हमारे पास यहाँ पे क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं.
This is a blonder. It's a Vela Professionals multi blonder that we're using and we're going to have to mix it with this developer and ये हम 6% वाला developer use कर रहे हैं.
ये है एक कलर जो मैंने लिया था. दिस इज अ स्मोकी ब्लू कलर. आई रियली लाइक दिस कलर और मैं सोच रही थी पहले कि आई गो फुल दिस कलर ओनली बट देन आई रियलाइज कि दिस प्लान मे बी अ लिटिल वाइल्ड एंड आई फील लाइक मुझे लोग अनसब्सक्राइब करना शुरू कर देंगे. और ओ दिस इज द कलर दैट वील बोथ डिपॉजिट ऑन आवर हेयर. इट्स कॉल्ड बबल गम ब्लू and I think it's going to be a very beautiful color, very nice and teal blue color. ये है gloves,
hair dye brush,
कंघियाँ हैं, disposable boxes, foil paper. Oh, and also sections करने के लिए rubber band.
right,
Rubber bands, clips. This is like a full shop situation. Ooh,
it looks so pretty.
this looks so dangerous. Have you seen that show, Dexter?
Oh yeah.
अच्छा स्ट्रिप्स भी तो काटनी है. ब्लू कलर को डिपॉजिट करने के लिए हमें हमारे बालों को थोड़ा सा प्री लाइट करना होता है, मतलब ब्लीच करना पड़ेगा इसेंशियली. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी आर गोइंग टू बी डूइंग इज ब्लॉन्डिंग द हेयर यूजिंग दिस सोल्यूशन. इतने सेक्शन ऑफ बाल अभी हम लोग कर रहे हैं ब्लॉन्ड, लेकिन फिर भी हम लोग हर बाल को सेक्शन में डाल के उसके ऊपर फॉइल पेपर लगा के फिर उसे प्री लाइट करेंगे सो दैट थिंग्स डोंट गो साउथ. एंड आई एम वेरी एप्रीहेंसिव अबाउट डूइंग दिस एट होम बट फिर भी लेट्स गिव इट अ शॉट एंड गो फॉर इट. अगर कुछ खराब हो गया तो मैं इतने बाल कटवा लूँगी.
Yeah.
आई एम सो ग्लैड यू आर डूइंग दिस विद मी. ऑलमोस्ट डन. अपूर्वा बस चेक कर रही है कि कैसे हुए हैं सारे बाल अभी तक. नेक्स्ट वी वेंट ऑन टू कलर अपूर्वा's hair जो ऑलरेडी प्री लाइटेड थे, एंड उसके लिए वी यूज दिस क्रेजी कलर बबल गम ब्लू. अपूर्वा स्माइल फॉर द मिरर फॉर द कैमरा. Oh, it's a very beautiful blue color. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm excited. Let's hope this works. I really hope it does.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब मेरे बाल ऐसे होते हैं तो मैं जॉन अब्राहम जैसी लगती हूँ. A little like Snape and a little like John.
I think we mostly managed to cover all. तो हम दोनों के बाल हो चुके हैं. I think कितना टाइम हो गया?
It's been 20 minutes to mine and I think
About
45
an hour.
minutes.
45 minutes
to yours.
मुझे लगता है almost an hour in fact to mine जब से ये लगाया है. So ठीक है, let's get off camera and we'll both wash our hair and report back. ओके सो अ लिटिल अपडेट. मेरे बाल मैंने जितने ब्लीच किए थे उसका कलर बहुत अच्छे से सेट नहीं हुआ है. सो आई एम गोइंग ओवर दिस ऑल ओवर अगेन बट दिस टाइम विदाउट अपूर्वा विच इज़ हेला डिफिकल्ट. बट लेट्स होप आई गेट इट डन एनी वे. हाई गुड मॉर्निंग गाइज. आज डे 2 है हमारा हेयर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का. कल रात तक मेरे बाल ब्लीच हो चुके हैं विच मीन्स प्री लाइट हो चुके हैं. सो लेट मी शो यू द रिजल्ट ऑफ हाउ द प्री लाइटेड हेयर लुक. I'm actually quite happy about it. This is how my hair is looking right now. Maybe because हमने एक एक स्ट्रैंड लेके किया था तो बहुत ही अच्छा ombre इफेक्ट आया है. ऊपर के बाल थोड़े से डार्क हैं, नीचे के बाल ज़्यादा लाइट हैं. इफ़ आई एम बीइंग ऑनेस्ट आई थिंक मेरे बाल बहुत ब्लॉन्ड नहीं हुए. मे बी बिकॉज हमने जो डेवलपर यूज़ किया वो इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं था. सो माई हेयर इज़ नॉट इंटायरली ब्लॉन्ड राइट नाउ बट आई कैन सी दैट इसके ऊपर जब कलर डिपॉजिट होगा तो ये बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लगेंगे. तो इट्स एक्चुअली लुकिंग क्वाइट प्रोफेशनल. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द रिजल्ट ऑफ इट. द ओनली थिंग इज़ कि आई डोंट लाइक द करेंट कलर एट ऑल विच इज़ वाई अगर मैं इसके ऊपर टेम्प्रेरी कलर चढ़ाऊंगी तो वो इतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. So I'm considering using this color which is a permanent color. Squeeze color cream 1 into developer cream 2. So 1 has to be put into 2.
Hi guys, I'm back for day 2 of coloring Tanya's hair.
And अपूर्वा के बाल already blue हो चुके हैं. इसका reveal shot हम लोग end में डालेंगे proper B-roll वाला. Okay guys, we are starting off with the color. The color is so beautiful. Look at this. Smells disgusting but बहुत ही pretty color है. थोड़ा सा लग रहा है कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ अपने बालों के साथ.
Yeah, I think we're starting to think that way because we're not being able to breathe that much.
Yeah. इंस्ट्रक्शन इज कि बस हमें बालों पे लगाते जाना है. लाइक बेसिकली वी हैव टू कवर ऑल हेयर. जो बॉटम के हेयर है ना वी हैव टू डिवाइड ऑल ऑफ देम. Oh, this is looking so good on camera also. Came out and I was washing it, I realized that this color has not really stuck. इसके पैकेट पे लिखा था कि I was supposed to leave it on for 25 minutes, but the color just did not get on my hair. In fact, all of it was just washing off, and none of my hair strands were lavender or smoky blue in color at all, which was such a big disappointment. So कलर हो चुका है. मैंने अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 25 मिनट के लिए रखा था और अपूर्वा के बाल तो कल ही कलर हो गए थे. So hers are looking nice and bubblegum blue. ये देखो ये smoky blue color आया है इसके ऊपर.
There are parts where it's pretty smoky blue.
Yeah.
But I think we can work a little more.
है ना?
On this.
When love comes in.
Guys, today is day 3. Actually अगर मैं if I'm completely being honest, day 3 तो नहीं है. एक हफ्ता हो गया since the last time I colored my hair, and this is the final result of the hair color that I used. जो मैंने smoky blue color use किया था. This neither looks smoky nor looks blue. It looks like a pale green color, which I'm really not that happy about. The only smoky blue effect that I see is on this strand of hair, विच इज़ क्वाइट डिसअपॉइंटिंग ऑनेस्टली. मैं सोच रही थी कि बहुत ही अच्छा निखर के कलर आएगा, ब्लू हो जाएगा पूरा का पूरा, बट मे बी मेरा ब्लॉन्डिंग प्रोसेस बहुत अच्छे से नहीं हुआ. ऑल्दो ये ombre लग तो रहा है एंड मेरे बालों के बॉटम पे दिख भी रहा है. एंड इफ़ आई स्टाइल देम वेल मे बी माई हेयर इज़ गोइंग टू लुक प्रिटी नाइस, बट आई एम नॉट 100% सेटिस्फाइड विद दिस लुक. सो आज मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि आई विल गो ओवर अगेन. और मेरे पास थोड़ा सा बबल गम ब्लू कलर बचा है जो हमने अपूर्वा के बालों में लगाया था. So I am going to do my hair again, and this time I'm going to take longer strands of hair and do streaks. Get excited guys, get excited. we're gonna do some really experimental stuff to my hair today. So this time मैं पूरा process नहीं repeat करने वाली because it's literally the same thing. I am developing the blonding mixture right now जिसे मैं streaks में apply करने वाली हूँ अपने बालों में. So the struggle now is कि मेरे बाल सारे bleach तो हो चुके हैं and I've taken much longer sections this time. So as you can see, they're literally this long, which means now I don't have the option of going back and cutting my hair anymore. So I'm kind of worried कि अगर ये अच्छा नहीं निकला और if something goes south, there's no way I can go back and repair my hair anymore unless I go to a salon and actually get it colored, which is going to be quite counterintuitive and counterproductive क्योंकि मैंने इतनी मेहनत की है 3 दिन लगा के, इतने घंटे लगा के I've ended up coloring all of my hair. So let's please pray and wish that this turns out okay. That went a little terribly because I ended up taking longer sections and I was expecting that it will look more beautiful with the longer sections of the bleach, but now as you can see जितने मेरे बाल at least कैमरे पे भी दिख रहे हैं, it is bleached from quite a long portion. उसके ऊपर I ended up using this color. So the last thing I did was use this color. In fact, I've cut this bottle into half to use every last speck of the color that I could, and this was supposed to be a very beautiful bubble gum blue color, sort of tealish, sort of light bluish, but I realized at the end of the hair transformation that I should have probably opted for a dark blue color to get the desired results that I was at least expecting. This is what my hair looks like right now, and if I'm being 100% honest, I don't love it because I think जो bubblegum blue है वो बहुत ही light color था, and on my semi-blonded hair, because it wasn't very light, it turned into a pale green color. So that is what my hair ultimately looks like. This color unfortunately was quite expensive. It was for 700 rupees, but इसका desired result बहुत अच्छा तो नहीं निकल के आया है, even though the reviews that I've read on the website seem to be quite nice. And finally, after living for 2 weeks with really terrible looking hair, which I was not happy with at all क्योंकि वो बहुत ही weirdly colored दिख रहे थे, blonde, copper, a little bit of teal streaks, a little bit of grey streaks, all of that, I decided that I need to go for a very dark toned color to match with my black hair because black के साथ अगर आप light color करोगे तो बहुत अच्छा तो नहीं लगेगा, it'll look very odd. So now I finally realized that to be a good hairdresser, I need to even match the tones of my hair. So black के साथ I went with this streaks का Wonder Blue color. इसकी अंदर की बॉटल मैं खाली कर चुकी हूँ अपने बालों पे. In fact, अपूर्वा helped me for this bit of coloring my hair blue, and this color turned out to be really good because it actually completely transformed my hair into a dark blue color जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आ रहा है अब, and it's going really well with my black hair also. So I would highly recommend this product if you want to go for a similar hair color. But हाँ, one thing that I don't like about this product is that it transfers really easily. मेरी bedsheet पे हल्का हल्का blue लग चुका है, मेरे हाथों पे हल्का हल्का blue लग जाता है every time I try to style my hair. I also whenever I wash my hair, मैंने आज अपने बाल धोए इस वीडियो को शूट करने से पहले for the first time after applying this color, and a lot of this color washed away in the shower itself. So this color is going to come off very easily, but yes, for the time being when you use it, it's going to turn out to be a very good color. And this color was actually the lowest price of all the colors that I used. This costed me just 450 rupees, in fact lesser. On Amazon I got it for 400 rupees. So this is the product that you're looking for in case you want to color your hair. Now coming to the main questions in this video. 1. How difficult or easy is it for you to color your own hair? I would say जो bleaching process है at first was quite difficult, इसलिए मैंने अपूर्वा की help ली. And the first time she bleached my hair and she did such a wonderful job with it. It was looking very perfect, काफ़ी अच्छे से bleach हुआ. But the next 2 times I bleached it myself, and I did not do a great job the second time, but I think I still managed to do something, which is why today we have this hair on me. And is bleaching important for depositing color? Yes, absolutely. You have to bleach your hair if you want to do any kind of a crazy color on your hair. उसके बिना आपके बाल नहीं हो सकते इस कलर के. But rest assured, आप एक बार कलर डिपॉजिट कर दोगे तो बाल की क्वालिटी उतनी बुरी नहीं लगेगी जो सिर्फ ब्लीच्ड बालों की होती है. हाँ, but I'm worried about how my hair is going to look after this color washes off. But now that I've colored it once, I'm pretty confident कि I can keep redoing it. अगर ये wash off हो जाएगा और मेरे बाल लंबे होते जाएंगे, मैं इस पार्ट के ऊपर डिफरेंट कलर्स ट्राई करती रह सकती हूँ. आई कैन मे बी डू अ हॉट पिंक और मे बी लाइक अ लैवेंडर, नॉट ग्रीन, आई वुडंट गो फॉर ग्रीन. आई कुड प्रॉब्ली डू Violet, yes, that is something I could do. So I can keep redoing color on my hair after buying these kind of products which are not even that expensive. और 3 weeks में ये color wash off हो जाएगा. I can go ahead and do some other color on it. So bleaching your hair is not really that big of a deal जितना हम अपने दिमाग में सोचते हैं. And in terms of difficulty, I think you just have to get the hang of bleaching your hair once. Color application is extremely easy. जो आप खुद भी कर सकते हो, or you can take assistance of your mom, your friend, your sister, your brother, your boyfriend, anybody. So it's not that difficult. The next question is, how expensive are these products? The products that I purchased or I ended up purchasing were quite expensive. ये blonder काफ़ी expensive था, but a good alternative is I saw these Streaks के bleaching kits. I think if the color of Streaks is good, I'm hoping the Streaks ke bleaching kits will also be good. You can go ahead and read the reviews on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Honestly, I only went with this because I thought, oh, I'm coloring my hair for the first time. What if something goes bad? Let's choose a product which is salon grade and really professional. And also slightly on the more expensive side. That was not my criteria, but मुझे लगा कि चलो professional grade होगा तो अच्छा होगा. It was about I think 800-900 rupees. And उसके साथ साथ ये development cream भी लेनी होती है. And मैंने जो development cream choose की थी 6% की थी. Although I think I should have gone for something higher. If you want your hair to be extremely light colored for the bleaching process, you can go for an 8% blonder instead of a 6% blonder. And you can then deposit colors which are lighter. But this was again 400 rupees. So total this costed me around 1300 to 1400 rupees, which is quite exorbitant. और इस blonder से मैं भी पता नहीं कितने 20 और लोगों के बाल शायद blonde कर सकती हूँ. So I definitely did not need so much. ये 400 grams है. If you're going for the same brand, try and go for a lesser quantity maybe to save cost. So the first mistake that I made was मैंने सोचा कि अब मैंने bleach तो कर ही लिया. Why don't I just deposit some permanent color on it? Because I've already bought it and this color was kind of expensive on Amazon. It costed me about I think 1500 rupees. ये अब Amazon पे इनफैक्ट लिस्टेड है भी नहीं, बट आई थॉट इट वॉज अ वेरी नाइस स्मोकी ब्लू कलर. और मैंने ऑन विम खरीद लिया क्योंकि मैं शॉपिंग स्प्री कर रही थी अपनी Amazon पे. Very bad decision. Don't please go for this kind of a color because this is for extremely light hair. This bottle was around 700 rupees, but I wouldn't recommend it क्योंकि इसका कलर का रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा नहीं आया है. The brand that I ended up using for this hair color was Streaks. And I think this gave me a pretty good result. But again, the only problem is that it transfers on surfaces very easily, which is why you'll see that I'm wearing black today instead of wearing white. So this was all for the products. I will leave a link in the description box below as to which other alternatives can you use. And I hope you're also going to be a little motivated to color your own hair with the help of a friend at your home and go ahead and enjoy this process and also get a really nice and jazzy result at the end of the day, because I am honestly loving my hair right now. I have zero regrets as to how it turned out. And also जो bleach मैंने किए हैं अपने बाल, उसके ऊपर मैं शायद colors change करती रहूँगी. So through the months you'll keep seeing different colors on me, hopefully, fingers crossed, because I'm not cutting these hair off at all. And with this, I'll see you next time after some time with another video. Actually, the next few videos are a little easier. इस video को film करने में मुझे literally 3 हफ्ते लग गए, which explains why I was missing for such a long time. But you'll see me sooner with another video on this channel, and I'll talk a little more about my house and how it's coming along because it is looking so good these days. And you'll just have to stay tuned for the next video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.